Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can remove the background of your photo with the PicsArt application. You just need to open the PicsArt application on your phone, and then you just need to wait until it's perfectly loaded. And now you just need to go open the picture that you want to edit by tap into this plus button down here, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to remove the background. Let's say I would like to remove the background of this picture. So the thing that you have to do is just go swipe this into the left side until you get this cut out, and then you just need to tap on it. The next, you just need to go click person to isolate the person's area, and then you just need to tap save. And the next, you just need to go click download it by go click this save button. And now your picture has no background already. So that is the way, guys, how you can remove the background on your picture only with the PicsAr. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and please don't forget to turn on the notification to follow the next tutorial.